friends, are you struggling with sleeplessness or disturbed sleep at night? Then this video is for you. Here I will share a recipe of magical smoothie for deep sleep. The first ingredient you require for this smoothie is 1 glass of warm milk. How milk helps us in good sleep? Because milk contains tryptophan, which is an amino acid that helps us sleep better. Tryptophan gets converted into serotonin, which is actually helps in promoting melatonin component in our body. That is the key ingredient for good sleep. The next ingredient we need for this smoothie is half cup of soaked oats. Oats contain a heart protective starch known as beta-glucan that aids in reducing high cholesterol, thereby minimizing the risk of heart attack at night. Moreover, a unique group of antioxidants called avenanthrymides are almost solely found in oats. This helps in lowering blood pressure levels considerably, thereby keeping at night our blood pressure in control. The next ingredient we need for this smoothie are almonds. Soak the almonds in the morning if you are wanting to have this smoothie at night. Take 5 pieces of peeled and soaked almonds. Almonds contain high doses of melatonin, which regulates healthy sleep cycle. Moreover, almonds are a rich source of magnesium and calcium. These two minerals help in muscle relaxation and good sleep. Almonds being rich in healthy fat and fiber and low in carbohydrate also help in lowering blood sugar and reducing our hunger pangs at night. The next ingredient we need are 2 pieces of soaked walnuts. Walnuts have been found to be highly beneficial in reducing oxidative stress, thereby minimizing the risk of depression, anxiety, and dementia. Moreover, it being the richest source of omega-3 fatty acids among all nuts also help in reducing risk of cardiovascular diseases. Just like almonds, walnuts also help in serotonin and melatonin formation, promoting healthy sleep cycle. The next ingredient we need is 1 teaspoon of soaked pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich source of vitamin K, manganese, and zinc. All these 3 help in boosting our immune system. Moreover, zinc, copper, and selenium, which are found in pumpkin seeds, help in improving the quality of our sleep and also have a positive effect in duration of our sleep. The magnesium in pumpkin seeds also help in reducing the stress and anxiety and giving a relaxing effect on our brain. The next ingredient we need is 1 teaspoon of soaked flax seeds. Flax seeds being rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber improves our digestive health immensely, which helps in reducing the risk of bloating and in having a healthy gut. A healthy gut actually plays a key role in reducing anxiety and promotes calmness during sleep. The next ingredient we will be needing is half teaspoon of honey. Raw honey, being a rich source of antioxidant, helps in reducing triglyceride, thereby improving the heart health. It also promotes secretion of melatonin and serotonin hormones, which helps in good sleep cycle. However, those who are suffering from diabetes may skip this honey. The next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Apart from adding flavor to the smoothie, cocoa is very rich in theobromine, which helps to reduce inflammation, thereby helping in muscle relaxation during sleep. The last ingredient we will be adding to our smoothie is half teaspoon of cinnamon, because cinnamon have excellent anti-inflammatory properties, which acts wonder in relaxing muscles, removing tension from the body by calming the nervous system. Moreover, it is also found to be beneficial for the aging brain and in reducing risk of Alzheimer. It also plays a key role in reducing insulin resistance, which happens with aging and thus keeps blood sugar in control the whole night. Blend all these ingredients in a blender and your magical smoothie is ready. You can only have this smoothie as your dinner, which not only will help you in good sleep, but also in losing your excess weight and give you a feeling of calmness and relaxation the whole night. Let me know how you like my tips, and if you are benefited with this recipe, do share and subscribe. Thank you.